Hey guys, it's Tutu and I'm doing another video. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, my name's Tutu and I do stupid stuff. No, I'm just joking. And I do some slime here, challenges, fun stuff, just fun stuff. So today I have a very good video. It's an unboxing. It's the first time I ever do it on my channel and I'm super excited. And I just came back from school just about 10 minutes ago, and I'm not wearing my school clothes. I just changed because I was wearing a jeans, a bodysuit, and a jacket on top, like a bomber jacket, and straightening my hair. It was a very cute outfit, and I was wearing my Alexander bracelet, so OOTDs. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. If you guys heard the noises that I did, it's because how heavy this is. And if you guys don't know what I got, I ordered gallons of glue and gallons of glitter, and I got more containers, and I have a very good unboxing video for you guys. So let's get going to unboxing. Trouble, hey. So I can't carry this. It's way too heavy. So I'm just going to show you guys the box, and I try to take it out. So the lighting is very bomb over here, but yeah. Okay, so I ordered a gallon of glue, and I'm not going to open this flap. I have another one, but it shows my address and everything. So I'm only just going to show you these two, and it's super heavy. I can't even. Just like, oh my god. I only can do that. It's so hard. It says glue. Oh no, that says goo, I think. 4141. That's weird. Okay, anyways. So I'm gonna try to open these, and do you like my Gucci slippers? They're very cute and sexy. I'm gonna try to open this, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I got the box here. I'm home alone this current moment, and I did it by myself. I flipped it over and I carried it like this. It was a smart idea. And I'm not gonna show you the whole thing, like the whole box or whatever, because it has my address on it. And so I'm just gonna show you this side. It's from the S&S company, so shout out to you, but not a sponsor. Shout out to you because you have cheap stuff, cheap price, and I got free shipping. You have to have free shipping over like $25, so I paid $35, so that kind of makes sense. Okay, so let's open this. So I did open it, and it's from S&S Worldwide, so you guys should get stuff or anything you want from there. And so let's get opening these babies. I'm so excited. Yes! Box. And I'm trying to open it with these scissors now. So I did get all of them out. Let's do the first one. I can't sit down because they're all right there. Okay, they're pretty heavy. They're pretty tall. I thought they would be more like bigger. This one is the clear glue one. So let's open this. And I do have a special thing at the end that I got too. And I can't open it. Whoa, bomb. Yes. This is Color Splash, by the way. And I heard Color Splash is very good. So I see my gallon of glue. This is the exact one that Just Amira gets. Oh my god, I feel so special. Don't know why. Okay, so let's open it. Perfect. Ooh, it's so cold. So I'll put the box in the bigger box. And okay, so this is non-toxic. It sets fast and it dries clear. And honey, we don't need this for glue. Like, we don't need it just for like, oh, let's glue something down. Honey, no. We need it for slime. So, let's just open it and see how it smells. It smells like glue. It looks very thick. I just don't want to touch it because how perfect it is. Let me just show you. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my god. Yeah, ew, why am I zooming into my... Okay, so this, oh, and I have a slime here I made. And I love this container. And it's so good. It's made out of this weird thing that I got from the dollar store. It's like sandy, but it's green, so I dyed it blue. That's very cool. Okay, forget about that. It's so cool, and I love it because now it just reminds me of Justimira. And this came early, so thank you S&S Worldwide Company for sending this very early. You said in a week. I ordered this about 2 days ago at my grandma's, exactly 2 days ago, at my grandma's, and today's Wednesday. So thank you for Worldwide S&S Company for shipping this out very, very soon. Thank you, because I needed it. Just thank you. Now let's open the second one, and let me just do some ASMR with this first. It's like a crunchy slime. Very crunchy. That's just an ASMR. It's very stretchy. Comment down below if you guys would like this slime and to be on my Etsy, because I still have to, like, yeah. Okay, back to the unboxing. So now, I don't know. So this is the white, no. This is, I want to save the most special for last, which is the gallon of glitter. So, I didn't even know. Me and my mom were shopping on there. My mom doesn't even shop on there, but she saw the website, and it was like a good amount of money, so my mom got it, and it was her money, so like, shout out to you, Mom. And shout out to Wiam and Aya, because they've been begging me, so just shout out there. Yeah. Okay. So, and it's a glitter, and my mom saw it. She was like, oh, do you want to buy it? And I was like, yeah, for sure. And by the way, the clear gallon is $12, and this white one is COLLABS too. All of these stuff are COLLABS except the other thing over there. And I got a white gallon too, because I did not feel like going in stores and getting stuff. My mom usually buys stuff online because it's like, I don't know, sometimes it's cheaper, and my mom doesn't really go, like, my mom likes them all. She likes going out, she likes having fun, and, you know, but, she likes shopping online if, like, if there's none in stores. So, here's my COLLABS one. Perfect, yes. What does this mean? LTEK. What does that mean? Okay, let's just open this. There's an expiration date on here. Do you see that? No, I'm kidding. It's not an expiration date. It kind of looks like it. It feels like I'm opening a jug of milk. Oh my god, this is way harder than. Oh my god, I'm sorry, my stomach. I can't open it. Ready? Is it? Oh, that hurt. Look at my hands. I cannot open this one, and let's move on to the next one. I'm not gonna open the glitter yet. I don't know which color I got, but let me just show you another thing that I did get. My dad works at a Black Rock, and it's a very nice, fancy restaurant in Troy, Michigan. So you can go see him there and tell him, do you know, if you're in Michigan, in Dearborn, Michigan, go to Black Rock in Troy, no, in Novi, and tell him, do you have a daughter named Tulene? She has a YouTube channel, and he will say yes, because he works there and he's the manager, and he gets me containers. And he already got me a 2 ounce and an 8 ounce, but he did not get the right lids for the 8 ounce, so he paid me back. He didn't pay, but he just paid me back as in, like, nice stuff. So my dad got me these ones, and these ones are tinier, but they fill a lot of slime. These are from my Etsy. These ones are bigger, and yeah, these ones are bigger though. So shout out to you, Black Rock, and my dad for giving me this stuff. So now let's move on to the gallon of glitter. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so this is the last one that I'm going to open. It is the gallon of glitter. So I I just have a feeling that it's gonna do something when I open it. I just have a feeling. Okay, ready? Look, it's gonna make a noise when I open it. Oh my god, my phone! Okay, so this gallon of glitter is so heavy that it almost broke the table, broke my phone, broke everything. And it's super, this is probably the most recent. Forget about the gallons of glue right now. Ready? I'm just gonna, I can't even put my hands in it because how heavy it is. Okay, let's. It's pink. Yay. And if you heard someone, that was my brother, they just came. So. Wait, I swear this is not glitter. It kind of doesn't look like glitter. It's exploding color. Washable glitter. It's paint! It's paint! Whoa, I want a gallon of paint! I ordered a gallon of glitter. I'm gonna sue you! It's a gallon of glitter paint! Okay, honestly, this is very pretty.
No, you can use that for slime.
Obviously. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna sue you, but I ordered glitter and not glitter paint. Are you freaking serious? It's okay. I mean, it's a clear, so look how beautiful that is. I think my hair is on it. Oh, no. Well, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. Actually, I don't really care. At least I got another gallon of something. This is so sick. It's a paint. That's so weird. I ordered a gallon of glitter, and it even had the glitter in it. You know what? It's okay. At least I got it. At least it came on before shit. At least it came before a week. It's okay. So let me just show you what I got. I got a gallon of paint glitter. I got a gallon of white glue, a gallon of clear glue. I have my slime right here. This is not really part of it. I got containers, and I got other containers, and other containers. Okay, so thumbnail. Yeah, so this is kind of a short video, but it's okay. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next. And turn on notifications on to be a part of our squad. I don't even know what it's called. Shout out to shout out to Aya, and shout out to the SS company, worldwide company, for shipping this and shipping it very soon. So thank you, and shout out to them, but not sponsored. And I will see you whenever I make a new video. So bye.